So this is what I'm starting with. This is just debarked. This is what I'm ending up with. Nice and fine. I like it. I did remove the guard, but worked around a lot of equipment, being very safe. I had to do that because it's so strong, it just blows it out of that bag they gave you. Forget the bag they gave you. Have that there. Grab a handful, toss it in, cover it up. Can it. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Put some more in, cover it. You don't have to stick your hand in there. It works good.
Pretty good. That's going to be some nice litter to add to the compost bin. Pretty good.
Anyway.